So what we do when we're doing the adjustments, we'll just give you some of these quick little pushes here. Sometimes we'll hear popping sounds. There'll be fluid in the joints, little air bubbles in it. That makes the little clicks and the pops. Feet ever bother you much?
Sometimes. It was bothering me today, like my left foot.
Mm-hmm. Cross your arms. Come up like a syrup. Go down and breathe.